So off we go. The black and white stripes, the famous strip of Juventus. This goes onside here. Into Ronaldo! Every time they need a goal, Cristiano Ronaldo finds it. It's another one in the Champions League, 118, and the master marksman strikes again in Europe. Juventus 0, Real Madrid 1. Who else?
Normal service resumed for Real Madrid and that man in picture. Look at his movements. The most dangerous man on the planet, nobody picks him up. Real sloppy play over there. This is too easy, this Marcelo. Inside, outside.
Now Danny Carvajal. Ronaldo's waiting in the middle again, although Andrea Barzali first astonishing. Here's Higuain, slips away from Varane. Dybala's coming in, so he's Betancourt. Ramos there for the second time for Real Madrid. Higuain again. Isco. Benzema. And the door closed there for Juventus. For Cristiano Ronaldo. There's Mattia De Sciglio for Juventus. Any kind of touch from Dybala and surely... Benzema. Kroos can hit one and hits the bar. Thumping effort for Real Madrid.
Yeah, he's the one you want to fall to. Toni Kroos strikes a really nice ball, as you can see there.
Corner. Chiellini was there. And then Keylor Navas denying that might well have fallen nicely for Barzali, but what an opportunity at the outset for Chiellini.
It was an amazing opportunity, and one that you normally look at that. He watched it all the way.
All the way through. But nobody had gambled there.
Yeah.
And still, Ronaldo's in there too. And he almost managed to squeeze in another one from a ridiculously tight angle. Ramos, just a little twist in the plot here in Turin.
You see Marcelo behind the wall.
It's deflected! And it was agonisingly close. Vasquez beaten away by Buffon. And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. What an incredible sight. You can see around the ground, not just the Real Madrid fans, the Juventus fans. I mean, this is nice to pick out Lucas Vasquez. And watch this, everybody. Boom!
Ronaldo, Marcelo, Buffon was there, but they can't stop it. Real Madrid make it 3-0, and Marcelo helps himself to a goal in the Champions League.
Yeah, that was a really nice goal, wasn't it? That had nothing to do with being down to 10 men. That all was about one-touch movements, an array of shirts, onside, flick over, Buffon. 2-1-2s from Marcelo, keeps on running, gives options to his teammates, gets a tap in.